Sari Stars, how are things going on in your saree world? I am Lakshmi and today at Kalpavasram I am very pleased to showcase a beautiful collection of hand-woven Kanjivaram silk sarees. Winter has just set in and the wedding season is here, so this is the perfect time to flaunt these beautiful Kanjivaram silks. So let's get started with these sarees. We begin with a stunning Yettukol Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a glorious shot of sky blue and pink. This is a gorgeous Yettukol Kanjivaram silk saree. You can see the lovely doop chow and dual tone effect in this. It's a lovely mix of sky blue and pink. You can see the temple borders and these are woven using the Yettukol weaving technique. The gorgeous pallu of this saree has Seeparekku and Tazhambarekku in saree and this is also done using Yettukol weaving. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a gorgeous pink blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp etiquette. If you like threadwork Kanjivaram silk sarees, then this saree is for you. This is a very elegant Kanjivaram silk saree in a lovely shade of Yelaka Pacha or cardamom green. The body of the saree is in a lovely shade of Yelaka Pacha or cardamom green and there are small threadwork motifs on the body. The borders of the saree have threadwork motifs and these are in a diagonal design. The pallu of the saree has threadwork motifs. There are diagonal lines and small buttas. The saree comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or with a mustard blouse. You can accessorize this elegant saree with a lovely strand of pearls. If you love no zari Kanjivaram silk sarees, then you are sure to fall in love with this beautiful saree. The body of the saree has stripes along the length of the saree and this is in a combination of purple, brown and soft pink. The borders of the saree are korvai borders with temples along them and the border is in a lovely soft brown. The pallu of the saree maintains the color scheme from the body and it has a very contemporary look. The color combination of the saree is hard to come by. The saree has a blouse fabric in the same soft brown as the borders. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with almost any kind of jewelry because it's a very versatile saree. Up next, we have a lovely Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram in navy blue. The body of the saree is in a gorgeous navy blue color and there are stripes running along the length of the saree. The borders are threadwork borders and there are beautiful Pakshi motifs and Banaras motifs in thread. There is a lovely Rani pink selvage which elevates the beauty of this gorgeous border. The pallu of the saree is absolutely breathtaking and it's in a combination of Rani pink, orangish and beige and it has beautiful Pakshi motifs in thread. The blouse fabric of the saree is in a deep pink and it has pretty Pakshi motifs in thread on it. You can pair the saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with lovely silver jewelry. We have for you a very pretty Kanjivaram silk saree with two pallus, that is you can wear the saree either way if you don't attach a form. The body of the saree is in a gorgeous Rani pink color and it has Ganga Jamuna borders. One border is orange and the other border is green. As I mentioned earlier, this is a very special saree and it has pallus at both ends. So you can style it in two different ways. If you choose to keep the orange border as the upper border, then the pallu will be a combination of green bands and Rani pink bands. Alternatively, if you want to style the same sari with the green border as the upper border, then the pallu will be a gorgeous mix of pink and orange bands. The blouse fabric of the sari is in Rani pink and it has green and orange Ganga Jamuna borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a green blouse or orange blouse and you can accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. A vibrant Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of violet, and this has Veldari kind of lines running along the length of the body. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of violet, and there are Veldari kind of lines in thread running along the length of the body. The borders are narrow borders with zari floral motifs. The pallu of the sari has Seepareka in zari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with an ivory blouse or golden tissue blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. An absolutely stunning Kanjivaram silk sari is what we have for you. This one is in a gorgeous combination of Rama green and pink. This is a gorgeous Kanjivaram silk sari. The middle portion of the sari has Maratuli or raindrop motifs in zari. The upper and lower portions of the sari have zari stripes running along the width of the sari. The pallu of the sari is in a pretty Rani pink and it has Seepareka in zari. This combination of Rama green and pink makes this sari absolutely fabulous. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a pretty Rani pink. You can pair the sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp attire. We now have for you an elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely combination of mustard and green. The body of the sari is a beautiful mustard shade and there are small threadwork floral buttas on the body of the sari. The borders are threadwork borders and it's in a combination of green and pink and there are lovely Pakshi motifs here. The gorgeous threadwork pallu of the sari has motifs of Banaras and Pakshis. The blouse fabric of the sari is a gorgeous shot of mustard and pink, but you can pair this sari with a blouse in green or Rani pink also and accessorize it with some lovely beaded jewelry. An exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Korvai Kanjivaram and it has designs like the Bandhani of Kutch. The body of the sari is in beige and there are buttas all over the body of the sari and this looks like the Bandhani design of Kutch. Bandhani, however, is a tie and dye design and this sari is completely woven by hand, but the design is made to look like Bandhani. The borders are Korvai borders in magenta and there are beautiful zari floral motifs on them. The pallu of the sari has adai motifs of Gudara, that is horses, Yana, that is elephants, and Man, that is deer. All these are done in zari. This is a masterpiece woven by our master weaver and it's a unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same magenta as the borders of the sari and it has similar zari motifs. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Winter is the best time to drape these beautiful Kanjivaram silk saris. To shop for our exclusive curated collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.